Oconee County Emergency Services now tells us a person at the rock quarry has been sent to the hospital because of a possible lightning strike. They're not sure if the lightning actually hit that person or hit the gate that the person was closing.
Our chief meteorologist Malachi Rogers has been tracking the temperatures meantime, and we are under extreme heat conditions, Malachi.
Amy and Gordon, extreme heat and those active thunderstorms, that's fueling those thunderstorms that we've seen. Again, some cooling thunderstorms, that's kind of the good news, but obviously they're very electric at this point. Any thunderstorms that are developing are producing a lot of lightning in a concentrated short amount of time. Look at our temperature spread, anywhere from 70s to 80s to 90s across the upstate and western North Carolina, just kind of showing you the isolated nature of the thunderstorms that we've been tracking. But where those temperatures are in the 90s, it feels like temperatures right around 100. Pickens, Clemson, Anderson, Greenwood, and Abbeville. We are tracking some thunderstorms right now. The ones that were in Oconee County, near Walhalla and Westminster about an hour ago, those have since started to weaken and move towards Hart County. But also in Union County and Newberry, we're tracking some thunderstorms, as well as Cherokee County near the Blacksburg and Gaffney area. So again, thunderstorms are out there, but where they've cleared out, a significantly cooler evening. We're at 75 right now in downtown Spartanburg, very pleasant. Tomorrow is another weather impact day. The intense heat and humidity with us not just tomorrow, but through Thursday, with temperatures in the upper 90s to near 100 and heat index values over 105. The good news is that we do have some relief in sight. We'll take a look at when that arrives coming up in our 7-day forecast.
Thank you, Malachi.